this much water came out of lime. I would say it's about half a liter, maybe more. It's a lot of water for such a little pressure vessel. So there was a lot of water inside that compressor. Maybe it had been rained in. Well, in the end, I wasn't right. The amount of water in lime was just incredible. I filled this bottle to the top with a mixture of nasty water and maybe a little, let's see if there's any oil that's separated, right? Not really all that much. I mean, oil floats on water, right? So there it is, filled right to the top, and there's really not that much oil in there. It looks like a poor man's lava lamp. Boy, oh boy. Anyways, yeah, it's mostly water with a little bit of oil in there. It smells oily. It smells nasty. But there we are. That's how much we got in terms of fluid. Now this is how many? 640 milliliters in this bottle. So there was 2/3 of a liter in that little compressor. Got it all out. Took a little while. Had to shake it and all that stuff. But I'm just amazed that this much water was in there. It's only 1 horsepower compressor. I mean, that's maybe 10% of the capacity of the chamber, the pressure vessel, something like that. Anyways, that's how much was in there, in case anybody was curious. About 650 milliliters is my guess. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, giving me a like, and leaving me a comment. I really enjoy making these videos, and I want to know from you how I can make them better. The whole point of these videos is to demonstrate that if I can do something, you can do it too. Well, that's it for now. So long, and remember, keep making.